Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one-on-one using a YouTube optimization toolkit called Vid IQ. The first thing that you will do as Vid IQ is say continue as my mother email. I'll be able to sign up to Vid IQ. Vid IQ is an online website that offers video tutorials and analytics of YouTube channel growth. With Vid IQ, you will enjoy some of bonuses like analytics for your videos, subscriber analysis, and you will get custom recommendation powered by AI. You'll get maybe titles are suggested recommended by AI, and this AI has a Google Chrome extension which allow users to analyze video analytics data. So for Vid IQ, you'll get search engine optimization, and I really wanted to use my channel because I have a channel here called Trending Updates. It is telling me choose an account to continue with Vid IQ, use another account. Once I sign in, it will give me a Google alert where it tells me that I will come to my Gmail account and see that Vid IQ has been granted access to this. I say yes, it's me. It tells me thanks for confirming. I'll come to the dashboard. It tells me here are 5 steps to ensure that you get most of Vid IQ. Confirm that you confirm the email address we sent to your Gmail account. Subscribe to video for tips of getting more views. So I'll get started. So with this package, I'll come here. It tells me Black Friday, 50% off, boost 6 months. The biggest offer I have 22 hours. I'll upgrade and get 50% off of the boost. We said Vid IQ helps you to access suite leading tools across the browser, extension, and website and apps. I am getting that this promo code that I'm supposed to use. I'll be able to save it. It tells me check for one channel monthly. You will be able to use this amount. First, I'll come to my to confirm that in my Gmail account I have only one YouTube channel. So I am seeing that I only have one YouTube channel. So it's customized. It's called Trending Updates. So I'll come here and see that a boost for one channel and 50% off for 6 months. So I'll be able to fill my card number and check out. I'm getting 50% off the discount. So I've just paid. It tells me your video IQ has been updated. Check your email shortly. You will for the first guide on how to optimize your video upgrade. Make sure that you have installed Vid IQ Extension. So we'll come here and download and be able to install Vid IQ. We need to put the extension. The extension I need to get the extension. So I'll come here, continue as Sarah. And the first thing we are told to get Vid IQ Extension. So we are waiting for it to upload. We said Vid IQ helps you to. It has a Vid IQ Academy that you will be getting tutorials. We can see how to post your first YouTube video. Using Vid IQ Academy, it will guide you how to be able to grow your YouTube channel from 1 subscriber to many subscribers. Also, we'll be able to download the extension. Once we have the extension, you say extension vision for YouTube. We'll add to my Chrome and I'll add the extension. After adding the extension, I'm sure it is checking. It has added. So we'll come to our initial dashboard. it tells me that we are directing you to go back to YouTube. Vid IQ, it has been able to install the extension. We'll also highlight the extension to make, once you press this mark, it will be every time you log in, you'll be seeing video IQ. Video IQ has another advantage. It helps you with their scorecard. All the videos in YouTube, it will help you to see their scorecard. Another thing that video, why we would always subscribe to Video IQ, it has AI powered daily ideas. You will get, once you are posting your YouTube in the YouTube channel, you will get a Video IQ suggesting for you maybe the topic to use, and the title, and this title. Remember that the Vid IQ has a Google Chrome extension which allows users to analyze your YouTube analytics. So it is using an AI from the Google to ensure that you're able to get the best. So we said, for once your Video IQ account has been updated, steps to go: make sure that you've installed Video IQ, enroll how to use complete guide in Video IQ, and share your excitement on social media. Go to the dashboard. We'll go to the dashboard, get started. You'll be able to track your channel growth. Once you upload your video, we'll see that it has AI title recommendations, get title ideas. So something else that we'll be able to do, we will go to our Gmail account and confirm that the subscription is free. Welcome to Video IQ. Let's grow your 0 subscribers. You just made it. Game-changing decision. Welcome to Video IQ. For over a decade, Video IQ has served as the leading source for million of creators, helping their YouTube growth. So we say that it will be able to, you'll get daily ideas using artificial intelligence to show relevant video refreshed every single day. So Video IQ is an online website that offers video tutorials and analytics that on channel growth. So get started for free, install for free. You'll get video SEO suggestions. So now we'll be able to refresh our browser. Since we already, since we already added the extension, it will be giving us metrics of our videos. We'll come and analyze, maybe using Video IQ. We see what happens to, like, I want to show you the scorecard. This is not my channel. This is Mr. Beast account. We'll be able to come and see his metrics. You can see it tells me it has around 18.4 billion. Average views is that 3.3 million. It's in the United States, the channel country. I want to you see it tells me tags too short. It tells me 100. I want to see the keywords. How can I get keywords of a certain video? The channel tags, you can see Mr. Beast. So I'll be going to my tutorial where I will be able to record and show you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is lifestyle tutorials. And also go to my other channel that I'm just starting to grow from 0 subscriber. It's called Trending Updates. Here it is, Trending Updates. This is my channel, and I'll be able, you can see I have 0 subscribers and no video uploaded. Ensure you follow up and you'll get good content. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials.